I absolutely love to have the arithmetic. It's not mathematics, it's arithmetic. The arithmetic of AliExpress. I love it. I love it. I love it. Because order update, your combined delivery order, has an update. The update is my motorcycle full face mask. It's a balaclava. £3.52. Added to my other order, which was the 5 meter by 5 meter tarp. 36.55. Let's see. 36 and a half quid plus 3.5 quid is 40 and a bit. So it's just over £40. The amount to pay, £26.75. I love Chinese arithmetic. It's fucking lovely. It must be called with order. And I like the way it works. And suddenly I sound like Rick from the Young Ones. Anyway, yeah, so the order is 352. There's a bit of a discount for some reason, and they brought it down to 313. This was 36.55. And the total, not just for the one thing, for the total order, they've knocked off 14 quid. That's over a quarter of the price knocked off. And that's not including the other discounts. Because they've always got discounts. I do like the way that AliExpress does its arithmetic. It's bloody lovely. That's the reason why I'm doing a dodgy accent. Fucking Vivian on TV. I wonder if he's got an alien. Is he going to like pop out of his belly and alien?